our type of girl them, you know. So we could all look the girl them now and get the girl them and fuck them not knowing say she a fuck all one boy we a fuck batty boy. You see it? And then them have all kind of disease. Not for them girl, I may assure you this. Not for them girl a fuck man in their ass. Yeah, me man a fuck them in their ass and then sitting there. And disease a transfer in their ass to in them vagina. We are going to them vagina not knowing, brother. Cause a girl now go come out and tell you say she and a man they do anal sex. Cause enough of them girl I like them thing a charge. Cause me they alright so no, brother. Enough girl when me meet. I bring them thing there to me. You have to firm charge it. Me I tell you that cause enough of them boy we see I go like them a wicked man and them a bad man charge it. Them man no body that cause when they run them file and hear about them charge it. A be nastiness them they are do bad man. Yeah brother, I swear bro. Enough of them. Enough alright. Me I go show you this too. Analogics this. Enough of them boy ya. Enough of them boy ya. I'll walk around the place and nyam one bag of sour front, one bag of dirty front charge. Me I tell you, me busy when a man want to do it, but I'm just show you. And you feel like them can't transfer certain disease. Then we the two brother. Enough of them boy are nasty bad man. So me I tell you, and I saw certain things transfer, so disease transfer, bro. Herpes and certain things. You see, them not gonna do certain tests, brother. Yeah, prostate cancer and certain tests, them not do certain tests, them not do certain checkup. But one thing me I tell you see me as a man, me I tell you this. That's why I don't associate myself with certain type of female. Cause I say me I like a girl and my sister she love the hype life and I run down hype livity and she not do nothing for maintain her hype life. Me don't want you in a girl cause it's either you go come over here to come put stress on me or you go there with me and I fuck a bag of man cause me can't maintain her lifestyle. You see it? Yeah man. Yes. Achoo, man. No for them girl, yeah. You see all your spliff where you smoke, you share it with people. Yeah, you have to know what you do, man. I tell you this, me as a youth, I pre-think on a different angle, charging. I pre-think on a different angle. I don't run certain joke, dog. You see it? That's why you notice, alright, me as a man, I'm tell you, I'm not perfect, now nothing about my experience one way in a life where if me see certain female move away, me don't want her. If she too loud and too outburst and them thing, then me don't want your mama. Yeah, man. If you want always there in the spotlight, you want to go to the biggest event, them work on them thing, then you not have nothing for maintain a lifestyle, mama. Me don't want your mama, because you go come put stress on me over here, so. And I don't have stress already, so you can't come put no more stress on me. Yeah, dog. As a man, charge, you have to go do your checkup, you have to keep yourself clean, brother, because oh, you have to know what going on in your body. You have to go to doctor. Jessica, you come over here so about one Eddie G. Nigeria kill him. I just step on YouTube and watch a clash. Nigeria say you are cap him a cap, or be a cap him a cap. If a man a call Eddie G capper. We not talk about Eddie G now. We are talk about life and reality over here so now. Yeah man, as I say man, as a man, you have to do your checkup. Prostate cancer, all of them something there. You have to do your checkup. You have to do certain things. You see it? You have to like take care of your body. You can't there just live so and just go about so you don't know what go on. You have sex with multiple partners and you don't know what go on. Cause I'm tell you this. Most of the disease them a woman catch, a man give them cause the man them go, they go catch the disease them and just swing it on the woman them cause them nah go doctor, them nah go get a checkup, them nah go do certain things. You see it? Yeah man. More to no follow me. More want to no follow me on YouTube. Cause me have my YouTube channel and me I put some whole heap of like educational videos and certain type of reasoning over there. More longer reasoning me can't put on TikTok. My YouTube channel at Crawbupp College, you see it, so you can follow me on YouTube, you see it. Yeah, man, I remember for follow me Instagram at Crawbupp College, cause you don't know, you don't know me some other company media come run my joke them, but me I make the brand get bigger when I want to be a motivational speaker for the youth them, cause me not reach when I want to reach it, but me is a youth from the ghetto and me see me I make strides in my life. You understand? Enough youth can see where me I come from and elevate like me to you see, cause one time me never see a way out, you know. Who know me no know say me come from a place called Rostone, you know. Rostone where I come from, where I grew up, you know. Be a, you see, me I type it here so my YouTube channel. Rostone where I come from, I be a gunman and be a dead and be a thing. Most of my friends them when I grew up with dead, you know. So that's why I see more time I come out, I'ma make some video for the youths them, I'ma make some video for the females them. Videos where I grew up come see man a disrespect woman. I grew up come see man a kick up woman. You see it, yeah. I grew up come see man a kick up woman, a abuse woman, and woman a take it as love. Abuse is not love. No make no man beat you and tell you about oh I show him love you, make him lick you, or you make him do it if you never do that. You know him that, you see it. So more them thing them more shed some light on, you see it. More shed some light on them thing, them more the females and the younger females them where I grew up. Me for know say once a man put him hand on you, I done the relationship for done. You understand? No man not supposed to beat you as a female, you know him daughter. Yeah, him support system. You know him abuse system where when him feel away him for just come buff you. You understand? Females not take no form of abuse for love. Not take no form of abuse for love. No physical abuse, no mental abuse, no financial abuse, no form of abuse for love. No form of abuse is love. Not make no boy put them hand on you. Not make no boy tell you about oh him not give you no money until you start do this and do that. That's abuse. You see it? That is a financial abuse. No, leave yourself careless where you have to depend on a man where him abuse you. You understand? Cause enough of them boy, once them realize you are them them are your support system, them are gonna start use it against you and abuse you. Them are gonna use it as leverage. The same thing goes for the male them too. Now set up yourself for you're there with a woman where everything of that woman there. Be independent. Not, I'm telling you this, not no more sexy than a female that is independent. Where you're independent but you're respectful to your partner. But if your partner feel like say him can use certain style upon you, you can walk away because you don't need him. Where my gear is additional to what you have already. You hear that? Nothing sexy than a female will have her education and is independent. You hear that? When a boy can't take no step of you, your family member them can't take no step of you, no friend can't take no step of you. You understand? When you're independent, people have to know how they might deal with you. They have to know how they might approach you. They have to deal with you with respect. Alright, I'm gonna show you this. If you come from a Caribbean family, if you come from a black family, remember say this, the only people them in the black family will get respected are the one them with money. That alone for sure you say you have to have money to be respected. Because even your family member them not respect you until you think your cousin them are gonna post you if you're broke. Alright, Angela. Angela, text me na my DM. Angela, you know say me and you have the same. I'm not even gonna say it on the live. Text me now my DM. Me I gotta tell you. Me don't want everybody know, but me I gotta text. Angela, come like me and your family, man. Text me now my DM. Me I forgot to ask you where you come from, Angela. Where you say us? Hold on there. Kizzy and Duncan. She said she have her husband of 15 years and him go sleep with co-worker and nearly lose him life. Jesus Christ. What house? What house you come from? Eh? Me have to ask my father what go on. You have to text me. Text me now my DM. Yeah. You have got my father what go on. The what house the sound familiar. Yes, Denise, a true. Alright, let me tell you this. You will have a partner and your partner bad mind your fee where you have. Sometimes then conceal with what you have, you know. And then bad mind you. So you have to be careful of your partner too, you know. You have to watch your partner, you know. Sometimes the biggest enemy are the enemy where you sleep with, you know. You hear that? Sometimes the biggest enemy you have are the enemy.